Good morning. My name is Lyric Medeiros, and I'm here with NDTV reporting on the COVID vaccination site outside of the Compton Ice Arena. Let's take a closer look at what's going on here today.
In partnership with the Indiana Department of Health and the St. Joseph County Health Department, the University of Notre Dame implemented a mass vaccination clinic on campus last week Friday and Saturday to provide free COVID-19 vaccines to eligible Indiana residents throughout the region. Notre Dame's clinic at the Compton Family Ice Arena operated from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. this past weekend on March 26th and 27th. The one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine was provided to those who met the state's age and other eligibility guidelines at the time. Located on the south side of campus along Angela Boulevard, the vaccination site was easily accessible to the public. This past weekend, there were hundreds of cars driving in and out of the vaccination site. Let's take a look at the process of the vaccination site.
First, cars will drive in. They will make their way to registering. The National Guard will guide them where they are going. This is on the west side of the Compton Family Ice Arena. They will then make their way over to the east side where they will get vaccinated. These white tents behind me are where it all happens. The National Guard directs them to where they need to be, and the doctors can give them their vaccines. After, they will move to monitoring, which is where they remain for 15 minutes in their car, just making sure that everything is okay, that they're feeling okay, and then they're on their way. It's quite simple, but they have a system going over here, and we're happy to see it.
The initiative is part of a statewide effort to quickly administer vaccinations to as many Indiana residents as possible. The clinic required advanced registration. Walk-ups were not permitted. Indiana's Area Agencies on Aging, AARP, and nearly 70 libraries statewide also helped people schedule appointments. The mass inoculation clinic is apart from a previously announced administration site for the Notre Dame community that the university is pursuing separately with the state health department. Members of the National Guard directed traffic, telling cars where to go and what the next step was in the process. We had the opportunity of speaking with one of their own, Specialist Lopez.
Today, the National Guard is here giving the COVID vaccine. We're over here, we're doing a little drive-through, and then we're doing observation. And once they're done, we're checking to see if anything happens, just for precaution, monitoring every civilian that comes through, and just trying to take care of the community.
Yes, absolutely. Are people nervous? Are they scared?
More naturally, people are nervous, but it comes and goes. We kind of calm them down and walk them through it. We have our medics that are professionals here. Everyone is professionals.
Thank you to all of those in the National Guard who are working so hard to facilitate the vaccination process. We appreciate you. In a press release on the mass vaccination, Father Jenkins said, "We are grateful that state health officials recognize Notre Dame as a potential partner in the strategic deployment of vaccines for our region. The Notre Dame community remains committed to doing our part to help fight the pandemic on campus and beyond."
That's it for this segment, but stay tuned because who knows, we might be here getting our vaccines ourselves very shortly. From NDTV, I'm Lyric Medeiros.